How to reset Google Authenticator app. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Now, tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and find the Google Authenticator application and tap on it. Now, tap on the Offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Doing this will also reset the application, and before resetting, ensure that you will need to manually update each account linked to Google Authenticator. So ensure that you have access to backup codes or alternative recovery methods for your accounts. So this is how you can reset Google Authenticator app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.